Yo, what's going on, man? Happy Sunday, happy Sunday, happy Sunday. Blessed Sunday. Me and Toot out here working. We about to take a break. A lot of stuff we ain't get to record today. We been really in go mode for the past couple of days, man. Or I should say the past week and a half, we've been really in go mode. I don't know. We might go around there and see if we can find some boats to boat this motor up. Go ahead and get this thing on the floor, on the rolling four-wheel stand, so we can go ahead and start getting this motor inside the car and everything. But I got videos that I ain't even put up yet, so I know y'all gonna be a little bit behind on everything. So y'all probably right now looking at the big box, big break video. Got another video coming up after that. Then I got this video coming up after that video, which, we wake up. I was working yesterday, Saturday. Worked late last night. Y'all gonna see that on the video, man. We going in. But I'm gonna just turn the camera around and let y'all see the progress we're making, man. So, yeah. So, me and Toot out here. If y'all saw the last video, y'all probably saw me when we was doing the mock-up and putting the pieces back in place. Got the handle cut or shortened up. Got to go back and fill in the back. Got some creases across the top. That's going to come in with my fleecing and fiberglassing, so we ain't going to worry about that. But I am going to put something back here to make that structure back there a little bit stronger, and then we're going to go from there. But just to kind of mock things up, we still got the pop solenoid in this door, so this door still will be popping out with the remote. You can see on the top, that's another part we gotta fill in. But just to update y'all, got that speaker ring in there. That same speaker ring that we said, we probably won't use that. You know, sometimes you go back to your old stuff and you end up adding them right back into your projects or whatever the case may be, man. That's why it's good to hold on to everything. We already drop a speaker inside there to see how it sounds. Actually, we dropped the speaker inside the other door because we got the other door done too. But just show y'all what we got going on, man. We gotta get these switches and stuff. We already done know how we gotta wire all that up, in which, if we really wanted to, well, that ain't the one, but we got the original switches. We can actually clean these up or wood grain these out and sit them back in there, being that we can actually just screw them back in and be ready to go. So it's an original switch for the driver's side door that we do got. I know a lot of y'all been looking at the videos and probably saying, okay, he got popped the locks on there. No shaved door handles. We ain't doing no shaved door handles. We want to keep the door handles on there. That's just us. We still gonna wire this thing up the way it's supposed to be wired up. You know what I'm saying? With the emergency, whatever. That's, our business. But just to kind of fill y'all in a little bit more, y'all can see what we did. We went and fabbed up the door handle. Instead of the door handle being, on the top, we fabbed up the door handle. And this is not where the door handle actually goes. Y'all should know that, because this right here is actually a pocket. So this is not where the door handle goes, but we fabbed it up here. Actually, if you was looking at the Cadillac door handle, the Cadillac door handle would have been actually up here on the top, where you can actually just pull it and you can get up out of the car, whatever the case may be. But on this one right here, what we did was we just put us a handle right up under the bottom right there. You know what I'm saying? A little something we can kind of reach over, and pull. And we don't feel like hitting that button right there or other words. So we got that in there. I still got to drill my hole for my pop the lock inside that, but that's it right there, man. We got the whole door fabbed up. For this door here, we still got to cut the handle pieces in for the back doors and the other door. And actually, what's crazy was, because I could have cut the passenger handle in while I had it out. So now I gotta find out where my spot is actually at, measure this stuff from front to back. Same way I did this one right here, man, just to get that handle in there as close as possible to this one right here. We building this for us, so it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? I can kind of sit the handle down on there and I can tell where it's supposed to be. So that should get me close to where we supposed to be on the other door, so we ain't gonna worry about that. So far, Toot, though, how you like it, man?
I like it.
So we steady grinding, man. Steady grinding. We ain't got no rub. Of course, y'all saw that on the other video. If y'all staying caught up, y'all saw that on the other video. We ain't got no rub on the back door, so we can get off in there now. The handles for the back door, the pieces for the back door right here. We actually got everything inside the boxes and all, so I think this one, that'll go on that. Still got a little modding to do because we got to clean up around these little tab edges. Where the plastic pieces go, that one right there, we just cut that off and we'll put that back in there. But we got our pieces right here where our screws can go back into, lock the door back in place, but I'll clean that up a little later. Then we got our piece that I was telling you we gotta put back in that spot right here. And then the speaker grill. We also got speakers going in the back right here. So thing about that is I gotta go and I gotta cut that back out just to get that speaker in there. So we got a little bit more work to do, but not much. It's coming along. All that stuff right there, that's easy stuff, man. That little cutting stuff, that's real simple to get in there. You know what I'm saying? Cut them holes out, get that done. The biggest part about these the biggest part that's gonna be about this door here is probably figuring out where we wanna put the solenoid at on this door right here so that we'll still have room to bolt up and everything else. But that ain't gonna be no problem either, man. That ain't gonna be no problem either. So that's gonna be a thing on that one. That's if we put a solenoid on that door, because like I was telling Toot, you know what I'm saying, we really only need one door to valet, to be honest with you. But I had a lot of people tell me, you know, you can put them on all 4 doors. Yeah, I know you can put them on all 4 doors, you know what I'm saying, and pop all 4 doors, you know. I don't know, but Toot might have a hot date or something, you know what I'm saying. He don't feel like going to the other side to open the door for her, so that way he can go ahead and hit it. So we gonna go ahead and we gonna put it on the other passenger side door, I know for sure. But these back doors right here, it's gonna be a little family thing. So I don't know if we're gonna put them on the back door. We might not. We still got a little bit of shaving down to do right here, so we can get these lined up with the actual door. So, you know, we take our cutting wheel or whatever the case may be, go around that, get that straight, sand that down on all of the doors and everything. We have all that right there done, man. So it's a major process going on over here, man. We got all of the pieces right here in the box for the door panels. Only big project we liking now is that dash swap. You see Toot looking at the top. Speaking of that, we already went around. You can see right here, y'all, what we went around and we cut out. We still got a little bit of sanding to do so we can actually get that right there perfectly round. But we already went and dropped the top. We cut the whole top out. So we be ready to get that thing back in motion, the sliding. Got to switch that motor right there out, put the proper motor back on there. That's no problem. So, of course, y'all see the seats got lowered in the back. You know, another little fabbed up thing right there. So we getting everything all the way down to the minors right now, man. So, yeah, man, all I can tell y'all to do, man, is stay tuned, man. And we gonna get this thing right here popping. You already know what it is. I feel like when you do little by little like this right here, man, you're really doing a whole lot, to be honest with you, man. You just got to take your time and get it done, you know what I'm saying? Never back down, you know, with your ideals. Never think you got an idea that's just impossible, that you can't make work, because you could make it work. So it is what it is, man. I hope Toot like it. I ain't gonna lie, I like it, but You know what I'm saying? I got to get that approval from him because I'm passing it down to him now. You know what I'm saying? Long live my daddy. I know the wind blowing today, the sun out today. So I'm guessing he loving it too. Mr. T loving it too. Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah, big vibes, man. Y'all know what I'm saying, man. Positive vibes. We're going to keep this thing right here going. But for right now, you know what I'm saying? We're about to do a little father-son something. Even we got to catch us a little basketball court, go grab something to eat, whatever the case may be, man. We're going to leave the car alone for the rest of the day. I guess I say for the rest of the day, but me knowing me, I'll be done get out here and go to cutting into these door panels again. But that'll give me something to do when Toot hit school tomorrow. I'll be out here cutting these door panels or whatever the case may be. When he get home, then, you know, we'll try and work on that process. I'm going to turn the camera off, man, and get some things right. Oh, yeah, another thing we got to do. I can order one of these sending units, but I got a piece of a sending unit from a newer tank. So I'm going to take this right here, and I'm going to take this whole piece off of here. And the reason I'm going to take this whole piece right here off of here is due to the fact that you can see that right there. How that right there just, you know what I'm saying? So now, what we're going to do with that is, with the other piece that I'm going to put on here, it's not metal, it's plastic, but I got a whole way of actually fabbing this right here up. If that don't work, then I guess we just going to go ahead and order that. And I might just go ahead and order another one anyway, man, just to put that thing in there the right way, man. We ain't got time to be playing around with it. So it is what it is, man. Y'all see it, man. That boy J.T.Verified, your boy Rich_everything. Y'all already know, man. Hit them buttons down there. Like, share, subscribe, that bell for post notifications. Man, we working over here, man. Box Chevy Relentless. Y'all, we might change the shoes up on this thing on y'all in a few minutes. But y'all stay tuned, man, because we got video after video after video after video coming. Y'all wait. Yeah.